everyone. Welcome back to Miss Lena's Kitchen. Hope everyone's doing well today. I'm getting ready to read my scripture to you. It is God who arms me with strength and makes my way perfect. It is God who arms me with strength and makes my way perfect. 2 Samuel 22:23. Thank you so much. I'm getting ready now to do a Kool-Aid pie. So these are the things that I'm going to be using. The condensed milk. And I'll be using also, I'm going to do my pie crust. And I'm going to show you how to do the pie crust. So I'm getting ready to do my pie crust. So what I'll be using for the pie crust, I have one package of honey graham crackers. I will show you the honey graham crackers. That's what I'm doing. The honey graham crackers, and I've mashed them up real good, real fine. And this is a masher here. Also, it may look like a fork, but it is a masher also for mashing up crackers or whatever you want to mash up. So now I'm going to be putting in. This is a half a cup of sugar, and this is about. I think I have about maybe 12 graham crackers in mashed up. Now, I may have to add more, so I have extra here in case I do. So, okay. So now I'm getting ready to mix the butter in. I was trying to get the sugar all mixed down real good. And this is my melted butter that I'll be putting in also. Yeah, it's melted butter and room temperature as well. And I'm using unsalted butter. You can use whatever you have. And I'm going to be putting it in the pie crust shortly after I get it all blended together. I'm just trying to make sure I have enough that will cover this pie dish. If I don't, I have to add a little bit more. So I always have to stand. I can hardly do it sitting down for a little while. I want to make sure it's blended in well with the sugar and the graham crackers. I'm going to have to put just a little bit more graham crackers in here. I wasn't for sure if I had to use it all or not, so that's why I did what I'm doing. And then once I put this in and get it all blended together, I will be putting it in the fridge for a little while. And then I'll come back and pull the rest of my ingredients in. So, okay. Okay. Now, let me put my bowl right here. Now I'm going to spray it just a tiny bit. I have the butter spray, so, and then I'm going to be putting it in the fridge. Okay. Okay, I'll be pouring it into the into my bowl here, so into the pie plate. Then I'll get it all mashed up. So it has to go in the refrigerator for a little while in order. Okay, leave it up then till I get it in there, and then I'll show it.
This is how she making up pie crust, y'all.
This is my own, my homemade graham cracker crust. It's not one, it's a box made. This is homemade, so from scratch, okay? Sir, for a few minutes before it gets ready to put your pie filling in. So I'm going to put this around and try to put it in the freezer for a few minutes, and I'll be back shortly. Ready to pour my condensed milk into the bowl. Okay. Now I put the Kool-Aid in.
Okay, y'all, this is 1 pack of Kool-Aid. I mean, it's supposed to be 1 pack, but she got 2 tablespoons right now. So we're going to see. She's going to taste it after she mix it up and see if it needs some more Kool-Aid.
Okay, so I'm putting, as you already told them, okay. This is the Kool-Aid. Okay. Now I'm going to whisk it with the whisk. Just have to stand up.
Okay, y'all, she's going to put another tablespoon in there. She added 2, but she's going to put 1 more in there.
Yeah, there.
See if you get that Kool-Aid taste.
I'm going to try again. I'm putting a whole box of Cool Whip into the bowl.
Y'all, in the Kool-Aid, you just got to kind of like figure out what you need, because it's like nothing tastes like it used to a long time ago, because we end up having to add probably a cup of Kool-Aid in there.
Okay, so I'll be folding it over in there.
She used to make it all the time when we was little. She hadn't made it in a while, though. I think she made it when the older grandkids were little, too.
Yeah, I just rolled it over. You don't stir it. You just fold it over in there. Just keep folding. It's ready to go in the pie shell now. It's all mixed and blended in.
And y'all just fold it until it get mixed. Y'all, this is a good, quick, easy pie for anyone to make. You can put whipped cream on top of it, fruit, and I think the Kool-Aid we use is peach Kool-Aid, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, y'all. It has to refrigerate for 2 hours. So after come out the refrigerator, she'll be back.
Okay, I'm back with the final touches of my Kool-Aid pie. So now you all see how it look. I don't have any Cool Whip to put on top of it, but you can put whatever you'd like to put on. But I just don't have any left, so I'm going. But I wanted to cut the pie and show you how it looks anyway. So getting ready to get started here. So. I'll stand up. Can't do very much sitting down, so. Okay. Cut it on, might as well. Okay, this is the final touches of my Kool-Aid pie. Only thing I did not do is I should have put my pie crust in the oven, but I wanted to do it in a hurry, so I just put it in the freezer. So I will make another one later on, and I will go on and show you the exact thing of putting it in the oven. For me, more is better than putting it in the freezer. I have did it before, so I want you to see it, but it's very delicious anyway. So
Oh, it's so good.
you see how the pie came out in the pan. Okay, so it's very, very good. And but next time, just do as I say, and I will be doing another one soon. And it's very good. But just use whatever Kool-Aid you want, and the real Cool Whip. Or you can, if you want to use the heavy cream, you can do that also.
Yeah, this is so good.
It is supposed to be made out of real Cool Whip, but I just used what I had this time. And it came out for us to taste.
Oh
It is off the chain. And I don't mean maybe.
It's very good, y'all. Well, if the kids was over here, that pie be gone by right now.
So, okay. Okay. I want to tell all of my my subscribers, all of my supporters, all of my members, and all the new supporters, and all the new ones that's coming on, all the new subscribers that's coming on. I appreciate you all so much, and I thank you all for watching all of my videos. I do appreciate it, and I will be back with another video real soon, and I hope you all will enjoy this one. And this is very quick for you to make, so it won't be a lot of time. It doesn't take a lot of time at all to do it. And I'm going to say goodbye now, and with all my love from Miss Lena's Kitchen, a very easy Kool-Aid pie that will be very good for the holidays. Thank you so much.
Y'all,
Goodbye with all my love.
This is so good, y'all. Make sure y'all make this. All right, thank you.